What's up everyone, Randall here from Go for Noobs, aka Golang for Beginners. Today's episode we're talking about recursion, a very cool technique where you actually call upon the function you're using within that function recursively. So, we're going to attempt to do that in 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now today we're talking about recursion. The best example of recursion would be the factorial function. Now for those of you guys who don't know what a factorial function is, basically if you do factorial of let's say 7, it would be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or it could also be looked at as 7 times 6 factorial. So there, my friends, lies the hint. Now let's get programming. So first thing we want to do is create a function, a factorial function. So what we do is use the func keyword and then we'll call it fact. Now the parameter, we'll call that n, and that's going to be an int, and it's also going to return an int. Now for factorials, we have to make a certain case that if n is equal to 0, we need to return 1. Now, if it's not equal to 0, we could either write an else statement here and then put brackets, or if we didn't want to do that, we wouldn't need to do that. Up to us, however, to do it. But we can put else. What we're going to do is we are going to return n times, and here's the recursive part. Pay attention, it'll go by too fast to notice. Factorial of n minus 1. So, as you saw right there, I know, in the blink of an eye just went past you. What happened there? We actually called this function, the factorial function, from within the function using a different argument here, the n minus 1 instead of the n, and that's basically recursion in and of itself. Now, what are we going to do here? Well, we basically have it, so let's just print out the answer. So we're going to do func print line of fact 7, and if we format that, we run it, there we get the factorial of 7. But we could try the factorial 8, which should be that times 8, which is going to be like 40,000 some. Let's see. There we go, 40,320. And if we want to do the fact of 9, it should be like 540,000 some. Simple as that. Recursion in a nutshell, calling the function from within the function. One of the coolest things you can do, and if you want to really impress some ladies, you should tell them you can do recursion. So guys, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.